is Monday. Let's figure out what our date's going to be today. So over the weekend you had 2 home days. So we need to put those dates up before we can figure out what day it is today. Alright, so Friday was the 6th. That means that Saturday was the 7th. Then Sunday was the 8th. That was yesterday. So when I'm counting, I say 8. What comes next? 9. Today is Monday, November the 9th. We wouldn't say November the 9th. That would sound kind of funny. When we talk about a date, we say November the 9th. All right, now let's figure out how many days we've been in school. All right, on Friday we've been in school 44 days. So I'm going to add another straw to our days of school into our ones column. So here's my straw for today, and I'm going to stick it into my ones column. All right, now I'm going to count how many days I've been in school, okay? These I'm going to count by 10s. Remember, we've already grouped these by 10s. I don't have to count every single one. That saves me some time. And then I'm going to keep counting by 1s for these, okay? So count with me. 10, 20, 30, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. You've been in school for 45 days. That's awesome. All right, now let's build the number 45. Okay, and to do that, I've got to figure out how many I have in each pocket. Okay, so for my 10s column, I want to figure out how many groups of 10 I have. Not how many straws altogether, how many bundles or groups of 10 we've made. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. So there are 4 groups of 10 and 40. Is this a 4 already? Yeah, we're good. All right, now let's figure out how many 1s we have. We'll switch that number to build our number 45. Here are the straws for my 1s column. Now I want you to estimate on your fingers at home how many straws you think I'm holding. Okay? Estimate is just a good, smart guess. Now let's count and see if you're right or close. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 5 1s and 45. So I've got to change out my number on my 1s column from a 4 to a 5. There we go. And there's my number, 45. Read it with me. 45. All right. Now on Friday we have been in school for 44 days. When I'm counting, what number comes after 44? 44, 45. Okay. What do you think the number 45 will look like? You can look at these numbers. They'll look right there. Okay, when I hear the number 45, I know that 40 numbers always start with a 4, okay? And 45, I can hear the 5 after that. So 45 is a 4 and then a 5. Read it with me. 45. Read it again. 45. One more time. 45. Okay? Look at all of my 40 numbers and read them with me. Here we go. 41. 42, 43, 44, 45. Good job. All right, now, who remembers what this is? Sky is my big giant penny, right? Do you remember the poem that goes with it, our little song? Penny, penny, easily spent, copper brown and worth 1 cent, because pennies are worth 1 cent. Now, I've got a new shape for you today. Look at my shape. This is a brand new one. We've never done this shape before. What can you tell me about the shape? What do you notice about this shape? You may say that it's a solid shape, right? Because no matter which way I hold it, there's space in between my hands. So I know it's a solid or a 3D shape. It's not flat like a pancake, is it? Okay, it's got this point at the end. This bottom part is a circle. Then it kind of rounds around. It looks like a party hat. You might say that. Or an ice cream cone. Okay? That's because this shape is called a cone. That's why they call ice cream cones that. They're cones. This is called a cone. Can you say that? Cone. A cone is a solid shape. It's a 3D shape. It is the last 3D shape we're going to learn for a while. Okay? Here's my picture of a cone. You see the little dotted line? That lets me know that this is a solid shape that would have space if I was holding it. All right, now let's look at all of our shapes. Are you ready? Cone, cube, cylinder, sphere, rectangle, hexagon, circle, triangle, square. Great job. All right, now let's look at our numbers and do our number of the day. The last number I get to will be our number of the day. Are you ready? 8, 0, 10, 4, 2, 1, 3, 7, 9, 6, 5. And that's our last one. So today's number of the day is 5. Let's go do it.